Hey guys, Marilyn here. So today I wanted to share with you my new sewing machine. This is not the new one. This is the one that's been with me for 32 years. Now I love this machine. This machine is heavy duty. It's made of steel, super heavy. And I know I've mentioned in previous videos, I keep it in my dining room because it is heavy, too heavy for me to just keep taking up and down the stairs. And since I redid my craft room, I still keep this down here also because to the left of me from the dining room, there's a television. So maybe I should just put a TV in my craft room. So at any rate, here is my beautiful sewing machine. Again, I've had this machine for 32 years. And as you can see, it does look a little old school. But this is the machine that I have been using to make masks and doing every other sewing project that I've been doing. And I love this machine. I will never get rid of this machine. If I were to ever have a fire, this would be the one prized possession that I would run out of my house with. And that's this machine. And this will probably stay somewhere in my dining room. However, as you can see, this machine does have quite a bit of stitches. What is that? 37. So it has a decent amount. All right, here is my needle position lever, super easy, right? And then here is my zigzag stitch lever. Oops, sorry about that. So this is a Singer Merit 2430. This is a machine that my brother bought me for when I was 16 years old. And he purchased this through Finger Hut. So if you guys remember Finger Hut, you know that that's super old school. So here is my stitch length dial, super easy, and my reverse button. So if I need to do a reverse stitch and close my stitch up, I would just press it in right here. Now, in order for me to wind my bobbin, I would just have to turn this to the left, hold this, loosen it up here, and then pop this open. Put my bobbin in here, thread it through here, and it does have an automatic stop too. So once the bobbin is full, it does stop on its own. As you can see, there's a disc in there. So in order for me to get all these stitches, I have to use these discs. So that's a lot of discs that you have to flip through to try to find the disc for the stitch that you want. So for example, here is my blind hem stitch. And I believe I do have the zigzag stitch inside the machine already. These are two of my most commonly used ones from this machine, is those two stitches. So this is what and I have all the original pieces and the feet that go with it. This I actually just purchased probably about 6 months or so ago. But I have all my other plate right here. I have all my different feet in here. So I have all the original pieces, and of course I do, because this was and still is my prized possession. And so I did get an upgrade, and I have a new sewing machine, and it is a gift. I won't get into details about the gift. However, it's a long-awaited gift. So I'm gonna go grab my new sewing machine and show you. Now, my ideal sewing machine that I've always dreamed of having. Here's my lip balm that I make. My dream machine has always been a Bernina. However, Bernina to me is like the Rolls Royce of sewing machines. And I learned about the Bernina sewing machine when I was in school for fashion design. I didn't finish my program or college when I was at school for fashion design and merchandising. However, sewing has always been my #1 passion. I've watched my mother, my grandmother sew, and it's something that I just always go to. It's my first passion, and I love it. And I just love to see a piece of fabric turn into something. It's just, I don't know. So let me go grab my new sewing machine. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it on this video. So let me move this guy over. I'm telling you guys, this is really heavy. This is made of steel. So and it still works, and it works fine. However, I did need something a little more intuitive and something that I could work with a lot easier. However, this is not going anywhere. So let me go grab what I got today, and I shall return. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I didn't get a Bernina, but I did get a Bernette. I got the Bernette B38. I am super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I was even excited about the little Bernina bag. So there is this store, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Not too far from where I live. So I went there today to pick this up. This is a little sewing kit. It says sewing starter kit. However, they had some really cool things in here that I decided I wanted to get the kit anyway. And then I did pick up some bobbins. I needed some extra bobbins. So we'll go through this kit in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and open my sewing machine up. I'm so excited. All right. So they did open it up for me at the store. I'm going to have to do this from the floor. Sorry, guys. They did open this up for me at the store just to make sure I had the right parts. And so here's the platform. Nice big platform to work with. My power supply. My bag of feet and spool holders and needles. Oh, the case cover, which is nice. So this has an opening. So through the opening, oh, there's styrofoam in there. Through the opening, I'm assuming the machine has the handle. Oh my God. How do I get it out of here? Oh my gosh, Becky. Hold on. Oh my God, look at that. It's quite heavy, as a matter of fact, but it looks a little smaller than what I thought it would look like. Look at that. Ah, wow. How pretty is that? I cannot believe I have a brand new sewing machine. This is a long time coming. I'm telling you guys, I've had my sewing machine for 32 years. So pretty. OMG. So this is what I get to play with today. So excited. Wow. That thing is heavy. Oh, I like that it has a little measuring thing here. I always want to, where's the, she said there was something in the tool. Oh, the buttonhole foot. Okay. I knew she said there was something in there. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and, oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is sitting on my table. All right, so let's look inside the sewing starter kit. All right. Let me move this way. You'll be ever sewing with ever sewing. Okay. All right. So she's like, well, do you really want this? I know you've been sewing for a while. I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. And oh my gosh, what great service. Gail, thank you so much for being so kind. Gail is the store owner at the Bernina of Naperville over here in the western suburbs of Chicago. Well, this is nice. This has got some weight to it. We got some pins in here. Pretty. We have some more clips, which I do have some already, but they're not this wide. This is nice. And then in here we have some more glass head pins. You can never have enough of those. Safety pins. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Tape measure. I love tape measures. I don't know if you guys know, I've said it in different videos, different crafting videos, that I have an obsession with rulers, including tape measures. It's kind of like a ruler. We got some little thread snips. I don't have any of these, so these will be handy. I have a water erasable pen, which I need. I was cutting out all my fabric for my masks with the Cricut Design Space pattern, and I went through 2 pens. I don't know if this will fit in my Cricut, but I definitely need that. Another seam gauge, sewing gauge, seam ripper. These are like little notions that you can't have, you know, enough of them. Iron vanishing pen. I was just actually looking on Amazon for a friction pen. So this will be helpful since I didn't place an order for one. We have a rotary cutter, which I have my favorite rotary cutter right now. And I've had this thing for years. Is this Viscar's one right here. I love this cutter. So this would be nice to have another one. So we have that. Ooh, we got some titanium scissors. That's nice. I can't wait to see how those work. Then we have, oh nice, I don't have a 6 by 12 inch ruler, but I do have the other Omni Grid ones that are much bigger than this, so this will come in handy. I'm glad I got the kit. And then she said this is a foldable cutting mat. Oh my gosh, it is a foldable cut. What? It actually folds, guys. How cool is that? I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. This is really nice. So that is my little sewing kit. I'm so glad I got it. There's a lot of goodies in here. So I feel like I need to make a new little pouch for all my new goodies so I can put them all in there. I love the little box, and oh my god, this store where I went to, Bernina of Naperville, is absolutely gorgeous, and the service was excellent, and I am super excited that I was able to get my new machine. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, this is so different from what I'm used to using. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at how pretty. I can't stop looking at it.